If you're in Kansas City, Missouri, you need to stop by Tree Hugger Plant-Based Kitchen. As you can see, they have an open, welcome environment, plenty of seating, artwork. They even have a giant menu on the wall so you can't miss it. And the plants too. The plants are always a nice touch. We're gonna start out with the Double Trouble Tacos. Y'all hear that crunch, right? Yeah. 2 soft shell flour tortillas layered with refried beans, then wrapped around a hard shell taco filled with seasoned ground walnut chorizo, shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, pico, and sour cream drizzle, served with a side of chips and margaritas salsa. Round 2 is going to be the Buffalo Ranch Burger. Gardein burger, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, fried onion strings, pepper jack cheese, buffalo aioli on toasted ciabatta, served with a side of house-made ranch.
The ranch is good, the burger is good, tacos are good.
A lot of places may have house-made ranch, but that doesn't mean it's good. This was a very good ranch. And finally, we have the Kansas City BBQ Sammy. Jackfruit marinated in Kansas City Masterpiece barbecue sauce, house-made creamy coleslaw, jalapenos, and fried onion strings on a toasted bun. I always heard that Kansas City was known for its barbecue, and it looks like they're right. People always ask me, how are you able to eat so much food? Well, a couple of years ago, I was over 300 pounds, so this is nothing to me. Also, I might never be here again, so I'm gonna try as much as I can, realistically, while I'm there. If you're a vegan foodie like I am, then I'll see y'all next week. Peace.